Hi, Miss Burden. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I am Cherise Dayan Burden. I am Cherise Dayan Concardas Burden. I am 34 years old from Coronel City, South Cotabato. I am married.
How many kids do you have?
I have 3 kids, ma'am. 1 daughter, 15 years old, 2 sons, 12 years old, and 10 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 1 brother, 3 sisters, and I am the eldest child.
Please tell me your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 1 month. From May 2019 to June 2022, I do cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, iron clothes, and also taking care of the 3 years old boy. And I work also in United Arab Emirates for 1 year and 11 months. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes, and I taking care of the newborn baby girl until 2 years old.
Did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am. I finished all my contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a trustworthy person, honest, cheerfully, and a loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am, I don't have.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my family financially and savings for the future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
If small dogs, ma'am, I am okay, but if it's big, I'm afraid.
Okay, please give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I'll show them that I care about them by playing with them and be a friend for them.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.